Hi there, I'm Jimmy, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking the classic grilled cheese to a whole new level. We're talking gourmet, we're talking mind-blowing, we're talking 6 insane grilled cheese recipes that'll make you want to ditch the delivery app and become a chef yourself. We got melty cheese pulls, crispy bread, and flavor combos that'll rock your world. Get ready for Marry Me Chicken, Brisket Bonanza, Ham and Pimento Paradise. And that's just the beginning. If you're already drooling, hit that like button and subscribe because things are about to get cheesy. Let's dive into the Marry Me Chicken grilled cheese. Trust me, it's amazing. Start with 2 slices of your favorite bread. Butter them generously. We want that golden brown crispiness. Now the Marry Me Chicken. Add the chicken and 2 types of cheese. Top with the other slice and grill. Cook until golden and cheese is oozing. And there you have it. One bite and you'll understand why it's called Marry Me Chicken. Get ready for round 2 with the ultimate carnivore's delight. The brisket grilled cheese. We're talking tender, juicy, melt-in-your-mouth brisket piled high between 2 slices of buttery Texas toast. First things first, butter up that Texas toast like there's no tomorrow. Now let's talk brisket. You can use leftover brisket or grab some from your favorite BBQ joint. Pile that smoky, savory goodness onto 1 slice of bread. Next, we're adding a layer of caramelized onions for that perfect touch of sweetness. And because you can never have too much cheese, we're going in with a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack. Grill that baby up for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is a melty masterpiece. Get ready for a flavor explosion in every bite. Let's take it back to basics with a classic that never disappoints. The ham and pimiento grilled cheese. This sandwich is the definition of comfort food, and it's always a crowd pleaser. We're keeping it simple with 2 slices of white bread. Butter them up generously, then layer on that savory ham. Next, spread a generous amount of pimiento cheese, that southern staple we all know and love. For an extra cheesy twist, sprinkle on some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now, let's get grilling. Cook this beauty over medium heat for about 3 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. This ham and pimiento grilled cheese is proof that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most delicious. Chapter 4. Sloppy Joe Grilled Cheese. Get your napkins ready. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get messy, in the best way possible. It's time for the Sloppy Joe Grilled Cheese, a flavor bomb that's guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. Grab your favorite sourdough bread and slather on that butter. Now for the star of the show, the Sloppy Joe filling, we're talking seasoned ground beef simmered in a tangy, sweet, and smoky sauce. Pile that goodness high into 1 slice of bread. Now because we like to live on the edge, we're adding a layer of crispy bacon. And for that final cheesy touch, we're going in with some classic American cheese. Grill this monster of a sandwich for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the bread is crispy and the cheese is melty and gooey. Warning! This sandwich is seriously addictive. Chapter 5. Sweet Potato Grilled Cheese, the sweet and savory combo you need in your life. Get ready for a flavor combination that'll blow your mind. The Sweet Potato Grilled Cheese. This sandwich is the perfect balance of sweet and savory, and it's surprisingly easy to make. First, we're roasting some sweet potatoes until they're tender and caramelized. While those are roasting, let's prep our bread. We're using a crusty multi-grain bread for this one. Butter it up, then layer on those sweet and savory roasted sweet potatoes. Next, we're adding some crumbled goat cheese for a tangy kick and some toasted pecans for a satisfying crunch. Time to grill. Cook this masterpiece over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. You won't believe how good this combo is. Chapter 6. Bacon and avocado grilled cheese. It's like a party in your mouth. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with the bacon and avocado grilled cheese. This sandwich is fresh, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. Start with 2 slices of your favorite bread. I'm going with sourdough again because it's just that good. Butter those slices generously. Now let's talk bacon. We're cooking up some crispy bacon to add a salty, smoky crunch. Once the bacon is ready, layer it on 1 slice of bread, followed by slices of ripe, creamy avocado. And because no grilled cheese is complete without cheese, we're going in with a blend of sharp cheddar and pepper jack cheese. Grill this beauty for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. You're gonna love this one. There you have it, folks. 6 insane grilled cheese recipes that are guaranteed to take your taste buds on a wild ride. Which one are you gonna try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not try creating your own crazy grilled cheese masterpiece? The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic food challenges and outrageous ideas. Peace out.